All right, my friends, today is a special one. We're doing an unboxing of a pair of custom boots from Willies leather. And these are their 8-inch lace-to-toe boots, also known as monkey boots. And I've been really excited about these because they're fully handmade, they're custom sized, and they're built using traditional boot making methods out of the Philippines. So yeah, let's open this up together. So, first impressions. Packaging looks solid. So everything feels secure, and you can tell that care was taken during shipping. Speaking of shipping, the total lead time for these was about 3 months, which is pretty typical for handmade custom boots. But once they were finished and shipped, they arrived incredibly fast. Just 2 days from the Philippines to the US via DHL. That's honestly impressive for international shipping. Not gonna lie, the tariffs were a bit high. I paid $71 for mine. So just keep that in mind when ordering. Alright, here they are. So these are the 8-inch lace-to-toe design, often called monkey boots. You can see the lacing runs further down towards the toe, which gives you more adjustability and fit compared to standard boots. And it also gives them that classic heritage and workwear look. The upper leather is Olive Chromexcel from Horween in Chicago. If you're familiar with Chromexcel, you know it's known for that waxy feel, the oil content, that durability, and you know that over time it should develop a really nice patina. The olive color is especially interesting because it's subtle. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's more brown depending on lighting. As you can see, the stitching looks clean. You can see that handmade character here. These aren't meant to look overly factory perfect. They have that handcrafted personality which a lot of boot enthusiasts appreciate. The soles are Dr. Sole full soles in green. Dr. Sole has a strong reputation in the heritage boot world for durability and traction. The green color adds a unique touch without being too loud, and it pairs well with the olive upper. So I expect these to have good grip and longevity, especially for daily wear. The big thing I'm very excited about is the custom sizing. This is my first custom sized footwear ever. And I heard that getting boots made to your measurements can make a big difference in comfort and long-term wear. Since these are lace to toe, you can also get that extra adjustability across the foot and instep, which is great if you want a more secure fit. Overall first impressions, these feel solid, well built, and very much in line with traditional boot making. You can tell that they were made with heritage construction in mind rather than mass production. The 3-month lead time requires patience, but for handmade custom boots, that's honestly reasonable. And the fast DHL shipping definitely helped once they were ready. So I'm really looking forward to breaking this in and seeing how the Olive Chromexcel ages over time. So if you want to see updates, patina progression, long-term reviews, make sure to subscribe and follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next one.